guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here today with another, I don't know what I'm gonna create. It's gonna be soft, it's gonna be cute, it's gonna be, you know, in your face. So if you want to see what look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna create, you know, but first I'm actually gonna use this Natasha Denona palette. It's Holiday 2, so I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and I'm gonna put that on a big fluffy brush, which is a T59 from Makeup Shack, and I'm just gonna like put it in my crease and just that's a lot. This look is gonna be quick and easy for every day. So the trick to this is gonna be a big fluffy brush, because you want it to just, you know, fluff up and being able to blend it kind of wide. You know, we need to do these looks because we're going into fall. Even if I'm in Texas and the weather here is nothing fall-ish or fall-esque, it's like literally hot. Today is October 22nd, I think. Yeah, it's October 22nd and it's literally 90 degrees outside, 90 degrees. Again, the trick for this is like a big fluffy brush. The fluffier the brush, the better, because you're gonna get more of that impact that you want, you know. I don't really use a lot of big fluffy brushes, but sometimes, you know, sometimes you just need it, and you want to make sure this is blend nicely, so when you get to the end you just want to fluff it up like so. So now I literally just want one shade from this. I'm actually gonna look for a green, so let's see if we get a green. Actually, which palette is this? This is from Play Any Makeup by Yolondo. This is Mixture, so I'm gonna put it like this because this shade is kind of broken, so I'm gonna use this shade right here. And this is #1 brush from Rephr. Rephr brushes are really good, but they're really expensive, so I don't ever really advise anyone to get this brush. If you can afford it, yes, get it. They're really good, but are they necessary? No, because you can create like literally the same look that you would create with like these brushes with any other brush. Will it be easier with this? Yes, but it's not necessary. It's not necessary. So that is it for that. I want to go back. I need to blend this. I need to bring up some napkins here because I don't have any. I'm just cleaning this blush. This look is very fall-esque, and then this is like a clean brush, and well, it's not clean, but I dust it out, and I'm just gonna like blend this. See, I feel like I lost a lot of my orange, so I'm gonna take the orange brush and then just kind of swipe it back and forth. And then, what was that green blush? Okay, so that's it. See, nice and easy. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back and ready to talk about the foundation. I know this look is dark, not what I was going for, but you know what? That's what we have. So we're gonna talk about Miss Born This Way from Too Faced. This is from Tula. It's just a little under the eye situation. When I do that, it just makes everything just kind of sits really nice. And I'm just gonna take this. I always focus my primer like right here, because that's where I have my pores issues. The shake, shake, shake. We always give it a shake. Where's my foundation brush? In front. And I'm gonna go with 1, 2 pumps. Oh wow, this is light, but we're gonna make it work. I actually have a Too Faced concealer as well, so we're gonna go ahead and use that. Oh my god, my face is white. And this is so you guys are gonna like just laugh at this. Like, why would I even pick this? Because so I picked sand. Again, that's what happens when you buy stuff online. So my concealer and my foundation is the same shade, which that's not how it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my ABH bronzer or contour, and then this is terracotta. I love this. I'm gonna have to go heavy. I mean, one is a different, right? But some days I do have to go heavier. If my foundation, because that's kind of how you can fix the foundation to bring some kind of color back into the skin, is to go like heavier. But again, I mean, I do go heavy all the time for the most part, but and I don't have to go, you don't have to go as heavy when your foundation match, but my foundation does not match. So I'm actually letting my, as you see, I'm putting the contour, I'm letting my foundation dry a little bit. Not my foundation, my concealer, because that gives you a little bit more coverage. Bring it up, bring it up. Guys, if you're looking for a good cream contour, this is a really good one, because it's like, it's easy to blend. And I think all the time people stay away from contour because they're like, oh my god, how is this gonna blend? Is it gonna blend, or am I just gonna look like a clown? In the beginning, you are gonna look like a clown. See, like this, it doesn't look, you know, great, but it's fine. Just perfect. See how nice this looks. I know, I go heavy. It's fine, don't worry about it. And let's go ahead and blend all that concealer. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to this, and I'm just gonna pass it like kind of right, see, just the edge, to just blend this like right here. Like so. So you don't see kind of where one ends and one starts. It's just one. Nicely blended, nicely blended. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna use my little Kat Von D situation here. Ooh. Ooh, I just dropped this. Then I'm gonna go in and set the rest of my face. I'm gonna use my Mercier powder as soon as I can find a brush, which I did find, but it was right next to my makeup brush. I'm just making sure. Then I'm just bringing that to my forehead. This looks good though. So when I'm putting on myself, I stamp a lot to just press it into the skin. Again, I'm not worried about putting all this product into my skin because I make sure that I always prime properly. Like while I moisturize, I put on sunscreen and I prime. So there's like literally 3 barrier of products between me and, you know, all this powder and foundation and all this stuff. Okay, let us go ahead and finish up the face. First, let us blonde. I'm gonna use this brush from Sephora Morphe. It's the E4. I don't know, I used this the other day. Like, I've been like liking this. This is from Ace Beauty. Or should I use this or should I use something else? No, I'll use that. So first I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and then I'm just gonna like bring that into the, like, just bring some more color into my face. I don't know, I feel like I'm not gonna go put that green in the bottom or my lash line, because that's, my eyes are already so dark, you know. And now I'm gonna go into this dark shade, and this I'm gonna leave like real tight, like right here, like this. I'm just gonna put it right here. Get it right. Right now I'm going heavy, because remember we had really light foundation, so we have to go heavier than usual, like so. And then I'm gonna go in, I'm actually gonna use this palette from Becca by Yolondo. This is her, and I'm gonna go into, I feel like I'm gonna take a little bit of Dahlia and this shit. Like so. And then for my highlighter, I'm actually gonna use Wisp. It's from Colourpop. And what is my brush? And we're gonna use this brush from the Lovecraft brush. Ooh, too much, that's too much. We're almost done. Yep, so that's enough. I don't want to go too crazy. And then let us put just something little. I almost feel like I'm just gonna put the orange, just the orange. Just the orange, which is this shade right here. Oh, burnt terracotta from that Natasha Denona palette. Now for my inner corner, so I don't always want shimmers, you know. This is from who? This is from Rephr. It's just a nude. My face feels so dry. I'm gonna use my Professional Super Setter. This is Warm Taupe from ABH. So I'm gonna line my lip with that. And let's see what we're gonna put on the lip. I don't know, I might just do a gloss. Yeah, let's use Flesh Astral, and then this one is Brilliant 4 from Pat McGrath, and I'm just gonna, you know who has like really good glosses too? Essence, and they're like $3, $4. So but this is okay. So that's it for this video. I really like how the look came out. At first it was hella dark, but I feel like putting, just not going so dark below, kind of break it down like a little bit, just a little bit, still dark but not crazy dark. So yeah, so that's it guys for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.
Your heart 24/7 keeping